Hello, I'm Yasmin Yakubu, and I'm working on problem 2 on simple harmonic motion. And it says two notes which have a frequency of 2 to 1 are said to be separated by an octave. What is frequency which is separated by an octave from middle C, which is 256 hertz? And this problem is really simple because it's just asking you 2 to 1 ratio of this. And 2 to 1 of that would be 256 times 2, which is 501/12. So basically just ignore everything else that it says except this, and that is your answer. The frequency is 512. So that's all for problem 2 on simple harmonic.